No! No!
Hitting kids works wonders!
What is up, guys? Expert Thief here. But you can call me XT Triple OG because it's time for another episode of Grand Theft Auto Thug Life. Yep. This is not a dream. You're not imagining things, and this is not a unofficial version of Grand Theft Auto 5. This is the real, regular Grand Theft Auto Online game. All right, guys, before we jump into the craziness, I want to let you know about an easy way to earn cash and gift cards just by sharing your opinion, and that's by using today's sponsor, YouGov. YouGov is a place where you take online surveys to earn gift cards and get cash rewards. It also has